Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the seller's guide to data-driven success. Let's get into it. Understanding data is absolutely essential for any Amazon seller who's looking to build a sustainable, scalable business. Without a clear grasp of your performance metrics, you're essentially running your business in the dark. Many sellers tend to focus only on top-line numbers like daily or monthly sales, but that doesn't paint the full picture. A business that is growing in revenue but losing on profit due to rising advertising costs or operational inefficiencies is actually going backward. Data isn't just about numbers, it's about direction. Just like you wouldn't drive across the country without GPS or a map, you shouldn't run an Amazon business without a roadmap built on data. Sellers need to ask not only what their numbers are, but what those numbers actually mean. Is performance improving? Are marketing campaigns generating a positive return? Is customer acquisition becoming more expensive? These are the questions that drive real growth. It's important to recognize that Amazon's built-in metrics, while useful, are primarily designed for Amazon's benefit, not the seller's. Their metrics help them determine which listings perform well on the platform. But as a seller, you need custom metrics that reflect the unique dynamics of your business. This includes understanding your break-even point, SKU level profitability, TACoS trends, conversion rates, and customer behavior patterns over time. One of the most significant gaps in most tools is the lack of context. Many dashboards show sales data within a start and end date, but they don't indicate whether things are moving in the right direction or not. There's no built-in GPS telling you if you're improving or losing ground. That's why sellers must build or adopt systems that track performance trends and alert them when there's a shift, whether positive or negative. If you're not someone who enjoys data or doesn't have time to regularly analyze it, consider outsourcing this to someone who does. Data-driven decision-making is not optional anymore. It's a requirement in today's competitive environment on Amazon. At the end of the day, the sellers who succeed long-term are the ones who take the time to understand their numbers, build their own metrics, and use that data to guide every decision they make. That's the foundation of a truly optimized, profitable business. If you have any questions or want help growing your brand on Amazon, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.